Good morning. Tuesday. Here comes the dogs. They heard me talking, and now they're both running over here. All right, dogs. Hey, math books. 779 and 780. Let's look at these, shall we? What the heck? Number one, 779, Mrs. Valles? Mrs. Valles, let's say. Double L. Purchased sand toys. Sand toys. They don't last very long, sand toys. You bring them home, they fall apart. You get them wet? Well, I don't know why she spent so much money on sand toys. That were originally $20. She received a quarter off the total price. How much did she save? Well, this is a practical question. When you're buying your sand toys. This is actually not division, is it? It's multiplication. Because you're figuring out a quarter of 20. So you'd multiply 20 times a quarter. What's a quarter of 20? Why, that's how much you'll save. Try that one with multiplication. Number two, Sue has 4 DVDs and Terry has 6 DVDs. They put all their DVDs together and sold them for $10 for 2 DVDs. How much money will they earn if they sell all of their DVDs? Poof! All right. For every $2 you get, every 2 DVDs, you get $10. How many DVDs does Sue have? 4. Every 2 is $20. How many 2s in 4? How much money is she going to get? Terry's got 6. Remember, every 2 he gets $10. 2, 4, 6. How many groups? Oh, look at that! I can do that. How many groups of 2 are there? 3. Oh, I can write. Oh, nice. Wow, fingers come in so handy teaching math. Number 3, Jacinda is decorating cookies for a class party. Aw, remember those days? I remember those days. She can decorate 2/3 of a cookie per minute. Boom, boom, knock it out, Jacinda. At this rate, how many cookies can she decorate between 4:30 p.m. and 5:55 p.m.? Working on the schedule here. How long is that? That's our first question. From 4:30 to 5:15, how many minutes is that? From 4:30 to 5 is 30 minutes. And you add an extra 15, so how many minutes is that? You know the answer. And now we're going to multiply that number that you just figured out, how many minutes there are, times 2/3. Again, this is another multiplication one, not a division one. Figure that out. Number 4, at a bird sanctuary, Ricky counted 80 birds. Of the birds he counted, a quarter were baby birds. They were baby birds. If he counted an equal number of adult males and females, how many adult female birds did Ricky count? Okay, you got 80 birds. That's not 80. You got 80 birds. So I'm not going to get the whiteboard for this one. 80 birds. A quarter of them are babies. So we're not interested in those. We're interested in the adults. So what's a quarter of 80? 80 times a quarter equals 80 divided by 4 equals. That number, we're going to subtract it from the 80. So we're going to 80 minus the baby birds. And we figured that out, the baby birds, by multiplying. So 80 minus that number is how many adult birds are. And there's an equal number of adult females and males. So half of that number is going to be how many adult female birds there are. I'll when next video I do the answers, I'll show you how to do it all, but I think you can do it. I think you can. Number 5. The 4th grade class collected $56 in donations. This is $4 more. This is $4 more than 1/3 the amount collected by the 5th grade class. How much money in donations did the 5th grade class collect? Whoa. Well, the 5th grade class, good job, you guys. You made a bunch of money. Because, why? 4th grade class had $56. This is $4 more than 1/3. What's $4? So if 56 is $4 more than this other number. What's that other number? It'd be 56 minus 4, which equals? Yes, exactly. That's right. And that number is 1/3. So how much money did the 5th grade class? You're gonna take 56 minus 4, which equals, and you're gonna multiply it by 3, because that number is 1/3 of what you guys made. You guys hauled it in. What are you gonna do with that? Answer that as well. What you're gonna do with that money? I will grade you on that one. Wahahaha. Turn the page. Number 6. A cook needs 12 pounds of flour. It's a lot of flour. He wants to spend the least amount of money. Don't we all? If a 2-pound bag costs $1.59 and a 5-pound bag costs $2.89, how many bags of each type of flour should he buy? What will be the total cost? Well. Okay. I guess to figure this out, we want to see which one's cheaper, which one's a better buy. If you bought, 2-pound bag costs $1.59. 5-pound bag costs $2.89. Just out of making this simpler for ourselves, 2-pound bag, $1.59, multiply that by 2, more or less. It's like 3 something, because $1.50 times 2 is 3. It's $3.18. It's around $3. Or the important thing is, it's more than $2.89. $2.89, you get more than twice as much flour. You get 5 pounds of flour so the price per pound is less. So let's buy some of those 5-pound bags, shall we? What will be the total cost? We're going to need to buy 2 of those 5-pound bags and 1 of those 12-pound bags. So you're going to have to add up that. Again, next video when I do the answers, I'll give you all the details. But give it a try. Number 7. A ride at a theme park lasts 1.5 minutes. It takes 2 minutes to prepare the ride for each trip. That's not efficient. How many times can the ride be completed in 30 minutes? Oof! So, let's say, it's a weird one. Here's how I think we should do it. It takes 2 minutes to set it up. So there's 2 minutes. And then we're going to add 1.5 minutes for it to actually have fun, be in the ride. 2 plus 1.5 is 3.5. How many 3.5s can you get into 30? 3.5 times what equals 30? 30 divided by 3.5. 30 divided by 3.5 equals what? So remember, we're going to have to simplify that 3.5. 3 times 2, 6, add to the 1, 7 halves. 30 divided by 7 halves is the same as 30 times, flip it, 2 sevenths. Complicated, very complicated. 30 times 2 is 60 divided by 7. 7 goes into 60 8 times. 8 times 7 is 56. Got 4/7 of a minute left over. I think it's going to be 8 times that it can do that. And there's a little time left over to clean up the mess that people make after they get in the ride. Number 8. On Monday, 21 DVDs were checked out at the library. This is 3 less than half the amount of books checked out that day. How many books were checked out? 21 is 3 less than half the books. What's 21 plus 3? Exactly. 21 plus 3. Easy. That number, 21 plus 3, is half of the number of books. What's 2 times that number? Easy. Number 9. Leo takes 30 minutes to eat dinner, 15 minutes to change clothes, and 20 minutes to walk to practice. If Leo needs to be at hockey practice at 7:15, what time does he need to begin? Curious. This has nothing to do with fractions. Well, how much time in total does it take? 30 plus 15 plus 20 is a certain number. Subtract that from 7:15. Here's an easy way of doing that. That 15 minutes, change clothes. Let's just subtract that first. What's 7:15 minus 15 minutes? 7. And so now you need to take off a half an hour. 7 minus a half hour is, that number minus 20 minutes is, again, in the answers we'll go over that. The last one. Mean Ling sets up tables for her art class students. Each square table can seat 2 people on each side. How many people can be seated if 8 square tables are pushed together in a row? Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Pushed together. So now, if they're pushed together, they have less sides. Oh, that one, we have to draw that one. Should we do that right now? What the heck? What the heck? How many tables we got? 8 tables. Alright. I got a square table. There's 2 here. There's 2 here. There's 2 here. Can you see that? You can see that. There's not going to be 2 there because I'm going to stick another table next to it. I'm going to put 2 more there. Ooh. Can I write a 2 upside down? I can't write a 2 upside down. How many tables need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You got a 2 here, 2 here, etc., etc. Remember, there's going to be another 2 at the end. So you're going to have to add up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 times 2. Does that make sense? I'll go over it again in the answer portion of our videos. All right, that's it for now. Go get 'em.